Unveiling GPT-bot and the potential of GPT-5, advancing AI to new heights. Have you ever wondered how Iman Gadzi achieved their extraordinary success with ChatGPT-bot and the potential of GPT-5? The AI landscape is ever-evolving, and this week's news is no exception. OpenAI has introduced GPT-bot, a web crawler with the power to gather vast amounts of text data from the internet. Welcome to Tech Too Fast, where imagination meets acceleration in the tech lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in. GPT-bot, navigating the web for knowledge. GPT-bot, the latest groundbreaking innovation from OpenAI, signifies a remarkable evolution in the realm of AI-driven information retrieval and language modeling. Its core function is to embark on an extensive journey through the vast landscape of the internet, meticulously combing through a myriad of web pages to extract valuable text-based data. This data, akin to the lifeblood of advanced language models like GPT-4 and GPT-5, serves as a foundational resource for their training and refinement. Operating as an indefatigable digital librarian, GPT-bot tirelessly undertakes the arduous task of not only gathering this information but also organizing and updating it continuously. This dynamic repository of knowledge encapsulates a wide spectrum of subjects, perspectives, and developments across the digital realm. By doing so, GPT-bot ensures that AI models remain perpetually up to date with the latest trends, emerging ideas, and deep-seated understanding across an extensive array of topics. This invaluable reservoir of data empowers AI models to generate content that is not only inherently accurate, but also profoundly timely, remarkably informative, and contextually relevant. As a result, the capabilities of AI-driven applications stand poised to reach unprecedented heights across diverse domains, from natural language understanding and generation to content creation, research, and beyond. The deployment of GPT-bot marks a pivotal moment in the ongoing advancement of AI, amplifying its capacity to revolutionize how we interact with and leverage information in an increasingly digital and data-centric world. GPT-bot's ethical and practical guidelines. GPT-bot, while being a remarkable tool for information retrieval, operates meticulously within a well-defined set of guidelines. These guidelines are meticulously designed to not only ensure the quality and integrity of the data it collects, but also to prioritize and uphold the rights and preferences of individuals and website owners. First and foremost, GPT-bot exclusively navigates the vast expanse of publicly accessible web pages. It respects the boundaries set by websites that require user logins or subscriptions, and refrains from venturing into these restricted domains. This approach not only safeguards user data, but also ensures that the data collected aligns with OpenAI's commitment to responsible and ethical AI practices. Furthermore, GPT-bot incorporates robust content filtering mechanisms to adhere to OpenAI's stringent policies. It actively identifies and excludes content that violates these policies, which encompass a wide range of objectionable content such as hate speech, violence, or explicit material. This proactive stance reinforces OpenAI's dedication to promoting a safe and respectful online environment. Moreover, OpenAI recognizes the importance of website owners having control over how their content is accessed and utilized. To this end, if a website owner wishes to restrict GPT-bot's access to their site, they can do so easily by adding a simple line of code to their site's robots.txt file. This mechanism empowers website owners with the authority to delineate precisely which parts of their website GPT-bot is allowed to crawl and which parts it should refrain from accessing. Anticipating GPT-5, the next frontier. The prospect of GPT-5, the next installment of OpenAI's series of language models, is indeed captivating, carrying with it the promise of a more advanced and capable AI system. As the lineage of GPT models has shown, each iteration has built upon the foundation of its predecessor, expanding in terms of size, accuracy, and versatility. Given this evolutionary trend, it's reasonable to anticipate that GPT-5 will follow suit by being larger, more accurate, and even more versatile than GPT-4. This progress implies that GPT-5 could potentially approach or even achieve Artificial General Intelligence or AGI, a momentous milestone in the field of artificial intelligence. While specific details about GPT-5 are currently veiled in secrecy, OpenAI's track record suggests that it will continue to push the boundaries of AI language models, leading to enhanced language understanding, generation, and interaction capabilities. The imminent arrival of GPT-5 underscores OpenAI's commitment to advancing the frontiers of AI, promising novel applications and transformative impacts across various domains. Size and capacity, a quantum leap. The progression from GPT-3 to GPT-4 already showcased a remarkable increase in model size and complexity, with GPT-4 featuring a staggering 175 billion parameters. The prospect of GPT-5 surpassing this figure, potentially reaching into the trillions of parameters, is truly awe-inspiring. Such a monumental leap in scale would grant GPT-5 an unrivaled memory capacity, dwarfing even the most knowledgeable individuals in terms of information storage. This colossal parameter count would enable the model to comprehend and generate text with an unprecedented level of depth, contextuality, and accuracy. It could potentially revolutionize various fields, from natural language processing to scientific research, by harnessing this colossal memory and processing power for tasks that demand a profound understanding of human language and knowledge. While the specifics of GPT-5 remain a mystery, the possibilities it could unlock in terms of AI capabilities and applications are boundless. Accuracy and fluency, a leap towards human communication. Indeed, the evolution from GPT-3 to GPT-4 has shown significant improvements in the accuracy and fluency of AI-generated content. GPT-5 is poised to take this progress to new heights, potentially narrowing the gap between machine-generated text and human communication even further. This advancement could usher in an era of more natural and seamless interactions between AI systems and humans. Tasks such as content generation, language translation, and even customer support could benefit from AI systems that understand and respond to human input with unparalleled precision and contextuality. While the specific capabilities of GPT-5 remain a mystery, its potential to enhance various aspects of our digital lives in an exciting prospect. Versatility, extending beyond boundaries. Absolutely, the adaptability and versatility of AI models like GPT-4 are remarkable. With GPT-5, we can expect an even higher degree of versatility. It may have the potential to seamlessly integrate with third-party platforms and tools, making it applicable in a wide array of domains and industries. This integration could revolutionize the way we interact with technology, from improving social media interactions to enhancing productivity tools and beyond. The ability to harness the power of AI in various contexts holds tremendous promise for innovation and efficiency in the digital age. The path forward, the quest for AGI. Indeed, the concept of GPT-5 achieving Artificial General Intelligence or AGI by the end of 2023 is captivating. But it's important to approach such claims with a degree of caution and skepticism. AGI, which entails AI can emulate human-like cognitive abilities across a wide range of tasks, is a complex and challenging goal that many experts in the field believe is still some distance away. Achieving true AGI involves overcoming numerous hurdles related to deep understanding, common sense reasoning, and the ability to generalize knowledge beyond specific tasks. While AI models like GPT-4 and its successors are advancing rapidly and becoming increasingly versatile, AGI remains a long-term aspiration that demands rigorous research and development efforts. The pros and cons of AGI. The potential implications of GPT-5 achieving AGI are indeed complex and multifaceted. On the positive side, AGI has the capacity to drive significant advancements in productivity and creativity across various domains. It could assist with complex problem solving, enhance scientific research, and contribute to breakthroughs in fields like medicine, energy, and more. However, with great power comes great responsibility. AGI also brings forth concerns related to the spread of misinformation, ethical considerations, and questions about the impact on the job market. Striking a balance between harnessing the benefits of AGI and addressing its associated risks is a critical challenge that must be addressed as AI technologies advance further. Responsible development, ethical guidelines, and robust oversight will be essential in navigating this evolving landscape. The uncertain horizon, GPT-5's arrival. While the AI community eagerly anticipates GPT-5, its exact release date remains uncertain. Considering the historical release patterns of GPT models, an educated guess suggests its potential arrival before the end of the year. However, the unpredictable nature of AI development may result in unforeseen delays or surprises. As we stand at the precipice of AI's rapid evolution, it's essential to approach the journey with a cautious optimism. GPT-Bot and GPT-5 are symbols of our progress, but they also warrant responsible deployment and consideration of their impact on society. The road to AGI may be long and challenging, but it's one that holds immense promise for reshaping how we interact with technology and each other. Once again, this is Tech Too Fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.